Hello, and welcome to English Podcast. Are you ready to improve your English in a simple, fun, and practical way? You're in the right place. On this channel, you'll learn English through real conversations, useful vocabulary, everyday expressions, grammar tips, and engaging stories, all spoken slowly and clearly to help you understand every word. Today we are talking about 109 Great Going to Questions for English learners and ESL students. Learn how to use going to questions in English to talk about future plans, intentions, and predictions. Simple examples and tips included. In English, we often use going to talk about the future. It's a simple and helpful way to express plans, intentions, or predictions. In this article, you'll learn how to use going to questions in everyday conversations and find a big list of questions to practice with. What are going to questions? Going to questions are used to ask about someone's future actions or plans. They help you learn more about what others are planning or thinking. These questions are easy to form and can be used in various situations. How to form going to questions. To make a question with going to, follow this structure. Are plus subject plus going to plus verb? For example, are you going to work? In addition to are, you can use common words like who, what, when, where, why, and how to make your going to questions more specific. For example, are you going to buy a new phone soon? You can use this to ask if someone is planning to make a purchase. Who are you going to invite to the party? You can ask this question to find out about someone's guest list or social plans. What are you going to do this weekend? This question asks about someone's plans for the weekend. When are you going to start your new job? You can ask this question to know more about someone's career changes. Where are you going to travel next year? Use this when you want to know about someone's future travel plans. Why are you going to cancel the meeting? Use this to inquire about a change in someone's plans. How are you going to celebrate your birthday? Ask this to find out about someone's birthday plans. Now that we've looked at the structure of going to questions, here's a list of questions that you can use to practice with. Going to questions list. Below you'll find 109 going to questions. The more you practice, the more natural these questions will feel. Are robots and AI going to take jobs from humans? Are you going to attend any concerts or events soon? Are you going to attend a meeting tomorrow? Are you going to buy a new phone? Are you going to buy anything special soon? Are you going to call your friend later? Are you going to change anything about your routine? Are you going to come to the party tonight? Are you going to cook dinner this evening? Are you going to cook for the next family gathering? Are you going to dance at the party? Are you going to eat lunch soon? Are you going to enjoy the weekend? Are you going to finish your homework today? Are you going to get a new job soon? Are you going to get a pet in the future? Are you going to help anyone with a project or task? Are you going to help your parents this weekend? Are you going to invite anyone to your birthday party? Are you going to join the gym this month? Are you going to keep studying English? Are you going to learn a new language? Are you going to learn how to play the guitar? Are you going to leave work early today? Are you going to make a cake for the party? Are you going to move to a new city? Are you going to need help with your project? Are you going to open a new store soon? Are you going to play soccer this afternoon? Are you going to read a book tonight? Are you going to relax this weekend? Are you going to see the new movie? Are you going to take a break now? Are you going to take the bus today? Are you going to talk to your boss tomorrow? Are you going to take the car to the mechanic? Are you going to travel abroad this year? Are you going to try a new hobby? Are you going to visit your family this holiday? Are you going to volunteer for any causes? Are you going to watch a new TV series? Are you going to work from home tomorrow? Can you tell me where you are going to stay? Do you think you are going to pass the test? Do you think you are going to win the game? Does he know where he is going to live? Does she know if she is going to join us? Does she think she is going to be able to help? Does he think he is going to finish the work? Do they know what they are going to do next? Do you think it is going to rain today? Does he think he is going to finish the work? Have you heard if they are going to cancel the event? Have you heard what time the train is going to leave? How are you going to travel to your next vacation? How are you going to use your free time this weekend? How are we going to get to the airport? How is she going to manage her schedule? How long are you going to stay in this city? How many days are you going to spend on vacation? How much are you going to pay for the ticket? How soon are you going to leave for work? How will they know if they're going to get the job? Is Earth going to be different in 20 years' time? How? Is he going to arrive early tomorrow? Is it going to be sunny tomorrow? Is it going to be difficult to finish on time? Is she going to accept the offer? Is the shop going to be open on Sunday? Is there going to be a meeting today? Is your brother going to help you with your homework? Is your friend going to join us later? Is your team going to win the match? Is she going to visit her grandparents this weekend? Is he going to move to a new apartment? Is it going to snow tomorrow? Is it going to take long to get there? Is there going to be a surprise at the party? Is your sister going to study abroad next year? Isn't he going to try the new restaurant? It's going to be difficult, don't you think? It's going to rain later, isn't it? What are you going to do if it rains tomorrow? What are you going to do if you win the lottery? What are you going to do during the holidays? What are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do after you finish your studies? What are you going to do with your life? What are you going to eat for lunch? What are you going to focus on improving this year? What are you going to have for dinner tonight? What are you going to wear to the party? What book are you going to read next? What city are you going to visit this year? What time are you going to leave the house? When are you going to finish your work? When are you going to the doctor? When is she going to return from her trip? When are you going to take the test? Where are you going to eat tonight? Where are you going to go on vacation? Where are you going to celebrate your birthday? Where is he going to stay during the trip? Where is she going to work after graduation? Who are you going to call next? Why are you going to cancel the meeting? Why are you going to stay home today? Why do you think they're going to leave early? Why do you think he's going to say that? Tips for using going to questions. Ready to start asking your own going to questions? Here's what to keep in mind. 1. Be clear about what you want to know. When asking about someone's plans, make sure your question is specific. 2. Use the right tense. Remember, going to is used for future actions. For past or present events, you'll need different structures. 3. Ask politely. Add polite words like please to make your question sound more friendly. Conclusion. Going to questions are a simple and effective way to talk about the future. You can use them to ask about plans, predictions, or intentions. By practicing these questions, you'll improve your English and make conversations easier. Keep using going to learn more about what others are doing or planning in the near future.